Hey everybody, welcome to Phonics. This is a short week. We only have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And so what I'm going to do is today I'm going to review the short vowels. Tomorrow I'm going to review the long vowels. And then on Wednesday I'm going to review both the short and the long vowels. Some of these words will have our consonant clusters in it, which are the two letters that come together and blend into a sound. All right. So remember, I'm going to read, and I wanted to just go over the rules for the short vowel. A short vowel is when it is stuck or in between two consonants. Because what they say is the short sound can't go anywhere. It goes there and it bounces back. It goes there and it bounces back, and it creates an ah sound. And so when you see that vowel in between those two consonants, which a consonant is anything but a vowel, then it's going to bounce that short sound. Ah, ah, ah. All right, so now watch me read these words and then we'll read them together. Ah, crab. Ah, pad. Ah, gab. Ah, sad. Ah, rap. Now you read them with me. Ready? Go. A crab, a pad, a grab. Oop, I'm sorry. Do that with me again. I'm sorry. A gab, a sad, a rap. Okay, now this is the short vowel E, and it makes an eh, a very quick eh. All right, listen to me read these. Peck, test, set, hen, men. Now you read them with me. Ready? Go. Peck, test, set, hen, men. All right, next one. Now this is the short vowel I, and it makes an I sound. I, because it's stuck between two consonants, so it has to make that short vowel sound. Okay, listen to me as I read these. I, sip, I, risk, I, mint, I, lip, I, win. Okay, now you read them with me. Ready? I, sip, I, risk, I, mint, I, lip, I, win. All right, short vowel O, ah. So far we've had the ah, I, ah. All right, listen to me as I read them. Ah, spot. Ah, top. Ah, hog. Ah, cog. Ah, stop. Okay, now you read them with me. Ah, spot. Ah, top. Ah, hog. Ah, cog. Ah, stop. And our last vowel is the short U sound, Listen to me read them. Hut, rust, nut, mum, bump. Okay? Now we're going to look at and review the syllable rules, all right? Now, here we have a short vowel and a short vowel, and remember that every syllable has to have a vowel in it. You break it usually between the two consonants, and every syllable has to have a vowel in it. There's a vowel, two syllables. Here's a vowel, there's a vowel, two syllables. Here's a vowel, two syllables. And if you notice, I broke it between the two consonants, making sure that there is a vowel in each syllable. And when you count your vowels, you will know how many syllables. And then you look at, okay, where do I break it down? And always start and go from the beginning of the word to the end of the word, looking for how to break it down between two consonants, leaving a vowel in each syllable. And if you notice, if you have two letters that are the same, you always break it between them. Okay, watch me read these words. Dentist, chip, monk, chipmunk. Plastic, plastic. Muffin, muffin. Okay, now you read them with me. Ready? Dentist, dentist. Chipmunk, chipmunk. Plastic, plastic. Muffin, muffin. And if you break a word wrong, it totally changes the sounds, because if I broke it right here between the E and the N, it would be dentist. It doesn't even make any sense. If I broke it right here, it would be it would be chipmunk. Okay? So syllables are important, and there's a vowel in every syllable. All right, now what I want you to do is read that sentence to yourself. Now let's read it together. The sad crab sat in the sand. Those are short vowel words. Okay. Read it to yourself. Okay, now let's read it together. Did the men take the test? Read it to yourself. Okay, here I'm going to read it with you now. Ready? Read it out loud. Why did the pig bite your lip? Read it out loud to yourself. And all the words are short vowel words that are underlined. Okay, now read it with me. The hog ate the slop out of the pot. Next one. Okay, now read it with me. The pug gave me a big hug. All right. Now, it is so important. You can always go back to this and listen to this again, or bring up the page, this page. Let me go back. Bring up this page and stop the video and read the words to yourself. Practice them if you're having trouble reading. And remember, identify the vowel sound, say the word. Identify the vowel sound, say the word. All right, so I want you to have a good day today. And there is no spelling list today or for this week, but you can go back to previous weeks. We're asking that you go back and practice 2 games a day on previous weeks. Okay, so have a great day.